You're probably already using solid carbide to deburr your parts in a CNC machine, but did you know there's another tool you can use? There's a wide variety of ceramic brushes for all sorts of jobs, including high production runs and small jobbing applications. Let's look at the difference between the two. You have nylon ceramic impregnated brushes, and you have ceramic fiber brushes. Nylon ceramic impregnated brushes are generally cheaper, however, they come with their flaws, as they're prone for premature wear, heat generation, and don't have an aggressive abrasive action. XEBEC ceramic fiber brushes are made from ceramic fibers, not nylon. They have a rigid bristle, an aggressive cutting action, and have a high heat resistance as compared to ceramic impregnated brushes. Their longer life makes it ideal for demanding applications and long production runs. XEBEC offers a wide range of products for all sorts of deburring and polishing applications. Come check out our website today.